common accidents in children. According to WHO, an accident is an event independent of human will caused by outside force acting rapidly and resulting in physical and mental injury. Injury is defined as it is an intentional or unintentional damage to the body due to exposure to an external agent, which can be thermal, mechanical injury or electrical injury or chemical injury for the children. Some of the common accidents in the mostly infant babies: electrical injuries may be due to faulty wirings in the home and also maybe falling from the heights, and maybe chemical burns, maybe they will swallow the all type of chemicals whatever is nearly to the babies, and example is kerosene and any phenol something, okay, Lysol something, they will swallow and leads to chemical burns. And mostly thermal burns, any hot liquids also maybe leads to the injury to the body parts. And mostly drowning also one of the reason, maybe without lack of supervision for the child movements, maybe leads to they will fell down into the water also, maybe any swimming pools or any water tubs and any something we are storing in the water, and maybe in that they will fall down. And also maybe any cuts due to any sharp objectives we are keeping near to the babies, for example is knife, any scissors something, any sharp objectives we are keeping also, maybe while playing they will cut their body parts without knowing also. These all are the symptoms, and these all are the home accidents for the infants. And how you can prevent the home accidents in the infants? Mostly the preventive measures for the infant home accidents we have to prevent: never leave the child alone on the cot or on the playing area and unprotected places to cause injury, and never give too small things to the baby to playing. Toys should not have removable small parts which may cause aspirated or the child can put into the ears and the nose. Never feed solids which are difficult to swallow the baby, and keep the stove or fire sources away from the child. Keep away all type of chemicals from the child. Electrical appliances should be kept out of reach. Never leave the infant near the water tubs and swimming pools, etc. Prevention from the drowning you have to do, means all these type of prevention methods you have to follow to prevent the home accidents for the infants. Mostly home accidents for the toddlers. The toddler age is mostly 2 to 3 years. In this age also maybe they will get some type of injuries in their life while playing mostly, and mostly they are getting in the home accidents, falling and swallowing of the small nuts and any coins, any buttons, and also maybe they will keep inside of the nose and ears the buttons and all, and also electrical shock also maybe they will get due to playing also, and also maybe they will drowning also they are having, and chemical burns and electrical burns also they are having, same this age. And mostly in this toddler age also leads to chemical injuries and mechanical injuries and also electrical injuries and drowning, and falling from the heights also is there. While walking also they will fall from the steps, and they can able to swallow all type of coins, any nuts and any and also there is tricycling riding also, maybe it leads to some accidents and injuries to the toddler's life also. And how you can prevent this type of accidents for the toddler? The prevention of this toddler home accidents: never leave the child alone. Maintain constant supervision while child is playing in the home area, and you have to observe the child movements, where the child is going with what they are playing, and avoid the negative words, and don't scold the child, and don't give punishments to the child, and give proper directions for certain activities for the child. Keep harmful substances like hot things, drugs, poisons, kerosene oils, electrical appliances, sharp objectives, etc. out of the child reach. Floor should not be slippery. Furniture should be placed in proper places to prevent from falls. Child should not be allowed to play with plastic bags or pillows, bed sheets to prevention from suffocation. Electrical boards should be out of child reach. Common actions for the school age children are for the adolescent boys or girls, and most of the accidents maybe they are having this while playing, And in school area also they are getting the sport injuries mostly, and also RTA also they are getting road traffic accidents. While they are crossing the roads also maybe they are getting so many type of accidents, maybe leads to injuries of the adolescent mostly while playing and while crossing the roads, and also maybe they're playing on the roads also maybe they will get the some type of vehicle accidents leads to injury of their life. And how you can prevent the home accidents, especially as a person you have to give health education to the family members. They have to provide the safe environment for the playing for infant and toddler and everything. If the child want to play, proper environment, proper place you have to provide, and proper articles means toys also you have to provide to play. And you need to give training how to play with that articles and how to move from one place to another place and how to hold the hot liquids and all if you want to give training. And a constant supervision must and should you have to keep upon your child, where the child is going, with what they are playing and with what they are eating also, everything you have to observe, and constant supervision you have to keep upon the child movements. And you have to give the guidance to the child for the drowning and all, and you have to show the all this type of drowning and electrical shock and role play, and upon the toy you have to show the what are the complications if they are doing all this type of activities leads to the injury to the children's. You have to show the puppet show or any play therapy also you have to provide. You have to show the some type of health education methods to your children's. You have to divert their mind to prevention from all this type of home accidents.